This is the ZD710 Mark II, and I've been using this light primarily for my recreational diving and also as a backup cinema light for when I need to shoot something on the go and I don't have my big D950 V2. There is quite a few features here that are very interesting, so I can't wait to talk to you more about this. First, a disclaimer. This torch has been sent to me by OrcaTorch for the purpose of this review. There is no money that changed hand. I am not sending them this video beforehand. This is only my opinion, nothing else. Now that this is done, let's talk about the torch. And I have to say that I've never been a very big fan of zoomable torches because they always having some issues. They are neither bright enough, the beam is either not wide and not sharp. It's always been very big of a mixed bag. So when they sent me this, I was very intrigued because they say, oh, we actually created the sharpest light we can find. I do not baby my gear, and especially the gear I'm reviewing, I generally do not baby them at all. And this is always exposed under my arm for all of my recreational diving. I take it with me during technical dive as a backup torch. I adore how OrcaTorch finishes their product. You can see there is no scratch whatsoever on the glass, very minimal scratching on the lamp, especially after 6 months of heavy use. I transport them in the bag. I don't baby them. It's been thrown into bags for during trips, international trips. So yeah, it's just being super resistant. One of the big features of this light is obviously the zoomable one. We're here in a wide mode, which is very, very nice. You can see here on those shots for Taurus, for the campaign that I did for them, I used this as my primary light because I realized that I wanted to do some shots in a dark environment. I didn't have my D950 V2s, so I decided to just take my light, use it into a bright mode, this as a singular mode, and just place it somewhere, create an environment, and here we go. But I think the most interesting feature is the spot beam. So if you look behind me, I'm in a very bright environment. As you can see, the light is not powerful enough to go and join there. But if I go and focus it, you can see the light even in bright daylight. And this is a very sharp beam. That means that if I want to point out something to someone, it's very easy to actually just say, hey, this is the thing there. Another feature that is often overlooked by people is the ability to charge the battery. Those batteries, you often need a specific charger for them, but OrcaTorch has a special USB-C plug on all of them. I know not everyone agrees that this is a good thing, but in case you forget your charger, you can plug it here and you can charge it out of a USB-C. This avoids me to find the right specific charger, and if I'm in a need for a quick charge, plug it out of a power bank and my torch is ready to go for the next night. I'm gonna put a link in the description below here, like this, if you want to get yourself your own ZD710 Mark II. Gosh, this is a mouthful. Your own ZD710 Mark II, you can just go and click in the link in the description and enjoy it and have fun diving. And if you are very interested into more things that I do with this light, I suggest you to click on this video. You will learn a little bit more about the kind of diving I do.